things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, oh, the way that things have been, oh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea, oh, the master of my sea, oh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shifting me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me up, believer, believer. I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My life, my love, I try to keep from. Remember those walls.
Happy birthday, Ate Chay. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo and mahal ka naming lahat.
Happy birthday, Ate Chay. I love you.
Hi, Ate. Happy sweet 16th birthday sa'yo. All I can say is be kind and be careful of your goals because you can achieve it properly.
It's like I've been awakened. Every rule you're breaking is the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking.
Pagiging panganay ay may malaking responsibility talaga. I know naman na kayang-kaya mo yan. Now, continue being a good example to your siblings, no, and make your parents proud lagi.
I could see your halo hit me like a ray of sun, burning through the darkest night.
We wish you all the best. Let's enjoy your birthday. Betchin!
I swear I'll never fall again.
Sana hindi ka magbago. Stay pretty and kind as always.
Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And nandito lang kami palagi para sumuporta sa'yo.
Proud again. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule that you're breaking, this risk that I'm taking, I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by.
Happy birthday, Chay Chay!
Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak. Ang iyong paggalang at pagtulong sa amin ay sapat na. At doon ay sobrang ligaya na namin ng papa mo.
Ang wish ko sa iyo, anak, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, lahat ng pangarap mo matupad at susuportahan ka namin, anak.
I can see your halo. I can see your halo. Well, I can see your halo. I can see your halo. I can see your halo. I could see your halo.